At Challenger Learning Center at Heartland Community College, our focus is to immerse students in hands-on science experiences that get them excited and engaged with science in a way that they just can't do in the classroom. On a typical visit to our center, students will start in our Discovery Lab where they tackle a STEM challenge, which is a hands-on open engineering problem where they have to work together and solve it, and they have a lot of creative room to come up with a solution that they think best fits the problem.
This is a really interesting field trip to bring our kids on. We get an opportunity to take the things that we're doing in the classroom and really jump into an immersive experience. So we talk about the STEM process and the inquiry cycle in our classroom, but having the tools and supplies that are available here for our kids to have these real hands-on experiences, especially with the technology piece, is something that we wouldn't be able to do just within the four walls of our classroom.
It makes STEM real to them. Having a STEM program in school is important so that students can explore on their own and see how math and science and reading and writing all fits together. And this is a place where we can go and make it even more real and connected to just the world around them.
We use immersive space simulations where students undergo NASA training simulations just like real astronauts. And to reach their mission success, they're performing a range of experiments, analyzing data sets, working with one another to reach conclusions, applying all the science concepts that they learn in the classroom here at our center in a way that they would have never thought possible before.
We've been practicing in class, and I'm on mission control. We're going to be communicating through headsets with our partner.
I was a navigator. I had to calculate when the rovers needed to be deployed. We were learning how hard astronauts have to train and what sort of jobs they have to do.
One of my favorite things about Challenger Learning Center is the impact that we have on young learners. A lot of students in school, when they think about science and mathematics, we hear them say, "I can't, I don't like, it's too hard." When they come to our center and they're applying what they do in the classroom in such a unique way that engages them just in a different manner, they leave our center realizing they can do STEM. And what we hear them saying after is, "I can, I did, and can I do it again?"